Good morning, children. Very good morning. See, these days simply you are playing, right? So from today onwards I am taking a science subject for 3rd standard. Science subject for 3rd standard. Okay. Take one 4-line notebook. Write subject science and write today's date is 4 August month, 4th date today. Today is Tuesday. Okay. Right, and write the lesson name, living and non-living thing. Living and non-living thing. Just write in a classwork. And see the video carefully, read the lesson and take the readers also from school. We are using a Beetle book. Okay. This book you are using and open page number 181. Okay. And I am reading here, just see it. Living and non-living thing. Living thing and non-living thing, it has so many differences are there. See, look inside your house, go outside and explore. You can find different kind of things. You notice that nothing around you is the same. You are surrounded by both living and non-living thing. Can you name some living and non-living thing in the picture below? How do you know they are living or non-living thing? See, in picture means page number 181, see the picture. In this picture, we have to sort out the living and non-living thing. Living thing, I will differentiate, see how living things and non-living things are. Living things means which are having a life. Living things will grow, living things will eat, living things can move from one place to another place, living things can breathe. But non-living thing, they can't walk, they are not eating, they will not grow. Is it? That we call it as non-living thing. So in this picture, some things are there, we have to sort out here. See, one boy, one girl are there. Is it? Boy and girl are living things. Living. Boy, girl, butterfly, butterfly. Next, flowers, flowers. Dog. Is it? Trees. These are living things. Non-living thing. Ball. Is it? Bench. Next, house. Is it? Aeroplane, aeroplane and mountain. These are the non-living things. See here, living things, boy, girl, butterfly, flowers, dog, trees. Living things means say, boy and girl, they will eat, no? And they will walk from one place to another place. They will talk with each other. Butterfly, they will move from one place to another place. They will fly here from here to there. Flowers, flowers when it is small like a bird and it will grow like a flower. So it is also having a life. Dog, is it? From when it is small we call it as puppy, right? When it grows we call it as dog. Trees, when plants are very small and we are pouring the water and some waste things to plants, that will grow like a tree. So it is, we call it as living things, which living things means which are having a life. But in non-living things, no life. Ball will grow, no. Ball will eat, no. Then ball will walk from here and there, no. Bench, it will grow, no. House, it will grow? No, na? Huh? Aeroplane. It is working from here and there? No. Mountain. It is also growing? No. These are the non-living things. It is not having a life. Understood? This is the difference between living and non-living thing. Okay. Here, look at these things. See, in the picture it is page number 181, downside. These are all the non-living things. Frog, table, chair, car. These are all the non-living things. It is not having any life. Okay. Okay. Next, things that are made by people are called man-made things. See. You know man-made things? Man-made things means we are doing the things. Things that are made by people are called man-made things. Things that are made by people are called man-made things. All man-made things are non-living things. Do you know why? Man-made things do not breathe. Man-made things do not grow. Man-made things do not eat. Man-made things do not have sense. Look at these things. Can people make this? People cannot make these things. These are created in nature. See, man-made things. Give the example. Things that are made by people are called man-made things. See, I am using a marker here. It is also made by man. I am using a duster here. It is also made by man. See, scale, pencil, reader, okay, board, wall, is it? These are all bangles, earrings, whatever the things are there, made by man, made by us, made by people. That things we call it as man-made things. Write an example here. Book, table, chair, pen, pencil, bus, car, auto, is it? Board, is it? Stick. These are all man-made things, is it? And next we move for natural things. Natural things. That is man-made things, natural things. You know, what do you mean by natural things? Things created by nature called natural things. Natural things created by nature. The things created by nature called natural things. Example, sun, moon, fish, is it? Sea, tree. Give me example. Rock. Tell me. Tiger, etc. See, natural things means things created by nature called natural things. Example, sun, moon, fish, sea, tree, rock, tiger. So many examples are there created in nature. Is it? How means natural things created by nature means nature, surrounding, whatever we are seeing the surrounding, a tree, dog, cat, sea, is it? we went in some other places for tour, we are seeing that sea, oceans, right? It is made by man. No, it is already created by nature. Sun is made by man. No. Moon is made by man. No. Stars are made by man. No. These are all created in nature. So, we call it as natural thing. Understood? So, next we go for other topic. You come to know now man-made things and natural things. Man-made things means made by man. Natural things means already created in nature. That we call it as natural things. Natural things may be living or non-living. Natural things may be natural things. It may be living or non-living. Living or non-living. How? How? See, living thing, trees, tiger, dog, lion, fish. These are the living things. Here non-living things. Non-living things. Rock, water. Tell me other some examples. Moon, sun, stars. These are the non-living things. So many examples are there in the surrounding. Natural things, it is, we know that it is already created in nature. But in that we are having two types, living and non-living. How means say? Living things means trees can grow, right? Tiger, dog, lion, fish, so many animals are there. We are also included in living thing. Is it? But here non-living things. Rock we created. No. Rock is also directly created in nature. Water, already it is there in nature only. Moon, sun, stars, mountain, hills, so many are there. It is also created in nature, that we call it as non-living things. Understood? So, these up to the topic, you should read carefully the lesson neatly and write the difficult words. Later I will send through the WhatsApp. Okay. Next topic, living things grow. We will learn here about only living things now. Living things can grow. See, all living things grow. All living things grow. How means see? Page number 183. See the reader where I am reading. 183. 183. All living things grow. Have you seen your picture? When you were born a baby, you do not look anything like you did then. You were very small. You have changed a lot since then, haven't you? Yes. You are a baby, now you are a child. In few years you will grow up to be big like your mother or father. Animals and plants also grow. See the page number 183. A chick grows into a hen, a puppy grows into a dog, a small plant grows into a tree. Does a stone grow? Does a stone grow? Does a duster grow? No, it is a non-living thing. Watch them for a few days, they cannot grow because they are non-living things. See, the pen, duster, scale, pencil, gum box, these are all the non-living things. Observe it few days, it will grow? No, these are all the non-living things. Living things can grow means, when we born as a babies, right? When we born as a babies, we are too small. We can't walk. We can't move from one place to another place. We are always sleeping on the bed. Later, after 7-8 months, we grow a little and we are ready to sit. After 1 year, we are ready to walk slowly from here and there, right? We are keeping only small lifting the leg. Is it? Huh? We are keeping small steps like this. After 2 to 3 years, we are grown up little by day by day. Is it? From 1st to 10th standard, you already means you are a child. After age of 15 to 25, you are younger. Again from 25 to 35, you are becoming a adult like your father or mother. Is it? This is a stage how to grow from baby to elder and last adult stage. Like the plants also, when the plants are too small, we are pouring the water, we are giving extra stamina to the plants to grow. It will grow from small to big size, it will become a tree. And chick means hen egg. When it blasts means it will look like a chick are there, and again it will grow up like a hen. Dog is also, when it born, it is like a puppy. It is a puppy. When it grow elder, we call it as dog. So living things can grow, but non-living things never grow. They can't grow. Okay. Next topic, all living things move. All living things move. Move means moving from one place to another place. Just to see page number 183, you move on your legs. Animals also move from one place to another place in search of food, to find shelter or to escape from their enemies. Dogs and cats walk with their legs. Fish swim in the help of their fins. Birds fly with the help of the wings. Snakes crawl on their bellies with help of their scales. They do not have feet. Insects move on their legs. Okay, and living things move. Living things means we are not living things here. So just I am walking from here to here. Is it? Means living things can move from one place to another place. Dog is also moving from one place to another place. Tiger is also running fast to find their enemies and to eat. And some animals, they are searching the food to eat and they want shelter to live. Is it? They are searching in a forest. Is it? And insects, they will walk on their legs. But snake will move from one place to another place, but it is not having a feet. It is having a scales. Is it? It is having a scales. Like this scales is having. Is it? With these scales, snakes can move from one place to another place. With the help of these scales only, the snake will move from one place to another place. Fish is not having a feet, right? Fish is not having a legs. It will swim in the water with the help of fins. We call it as help of fins. Like this it will go. Okay. And animals will also move. Tiger, snake, insects, all they will move from one place to another place. But the duster will move. See, I am holding the duster here. It will move? No, because it is a non-living thing. The pen I am holding here, it will move from one place to another place. If I am pushing, then only it will go. Because it will not move from one place to another place, because it is a non-living thing. Okay, birds also flying from one place to another place, because it is having a wings to fly from one place to another place. Okay, see 184 page number. Even plants in their own way, as plants grow, a stem moves upwards, a bud opens to become a flower. So it is common for all living things to move, but non-living things cannot move on their own. A boat moves, but it needs someone to row it. A car too moves, but it needs someone to drive it. Can a table move from its place? No, because it is a non-living thing. A bicycle cannot move unless you pedal it. Is it? Living things can move from one, but you are asking one question. How does a tree go from one place to another place, right? tree is also a living thing, but it can't go from one place to another place. But the tree can grow. See here, the tree can grow. These are the roots. These are the roots. This is a flower. Is it? This is a bud. Bud. Okay. Here soil. Leaf. Bud. This is a flower. Right? Bud will become a flower. This is a stem. With the help of the stem, leaf, bud, flower, fruit, everything will grow. Means it is also moving from this to up to this size. It will also move. The leaves are growing here day by day. Okay. This is all about living things can move. Next, living things can breathe. Living things can breathe. How living things can breathe? All living things breathe. All living things breathe. Read page number 184. You need air to live. You breathe through your nose. Many animals also breathe in air their noses, through their noses. Fish breathe in air through their gills. Insects like in air through tiny holes present on their bodies. Plants take in air through tiny holes called stomata on their leaves. But do books and dolls breathe? No. Does stone breathe? No. No, they don't, because they are non-living things. See, living things can breathe. Living things can breathe means, so see, I am standing here. We are taking a breath because we are taking breath inside and we are living out also. Is it what we are taking inside? Do you know that? We are taking inside oxygen. We are inhaling. We are exhaling the carbon dioxide. We are exhaling. Means we are living out. Relax. Relax. That we are living out the carbon dioxide. Where we are getting oxygen? From plants and trees we are getting the oxygen. What we are living out, that carbon dioxide is taken by plants. So all are saying that to plant some small trees to grow, because it gives oxygen to us. So we should not cut the trees. Okay. And some animals also breathe by their nose. And some insects are there. That insects also have a small pores. From that only they will breathe. Fish is having a gill parts to breathe. Gills part. Okay. It is also taking oxygen present in the water. Understood? Duster will breathe. Duster, marker, scale will breathe. It is having a nose. No, because it is a non-living thing. Plants, we are not seeing in a plant's noses, right? But in leaves, a small tiny pores are there, we can't see. We call it as stomata. That stomata part help us to take the carbon dioxide. What we are living out now, that carbon dioxide takes by the plants to breathe. For that sake only the plants are growing. Okay. Next we move for living things need energy to grow. Living things need energy to grow. Living things need energy to grow. See page number 185. You need energy to live. Where do you get it from? The food you eat gives you energy. You also need water to survive. Also, animals also get energy from food and they drink water like you. Plants also need energy to live and survive. They make their own food in the presence of in the leaves. They cannot move in search of food. They take in water from the soil for their needs. Try to feed your dog. Does it eat food? No, it doesn't, because it's a non-living thing. Non-living things do not eat. They don't drink water either. Okay. Living things need energy to grow or to live. So we are here. I am talking means I have energy in my body. Why we are having energy? Because we are eating the food. Is it? Animals, if a dog comes near to your home, you are giving roti, chapati, rice, whatever you are having, you are giving to dog, right? It is eating because it want to live, it want to survive. The dog wants to survive their life. Animals are moving from one place to another place to find the food for them to survive their life. Because it want energy to eat. Is it? It want energy to survive their life. If I am holding the duster like this, because in my body I am having the energy to hold the duster. If I am teaching you means I have an energy. Why we are having energy? Because I am having the food. Because we are living things. So we are eating. You are asking the question, why the plants will not eat? Is it? It is not having a mouth. But plants is also living thing. When we pour the water in the soil, the minerals which are present in the soil, the water content which are present in the soil, that water part the plants take out and it will grow from small plants to trees and it will take the sunlight. Understood? This is the process how the living things need energy to grow. Okay. Next part, living things respond. Living things respond. Okay, living things respond. Page number 185. You laugh when you are happy, you cry when you are in pain. Plants and animals also respond like you do. All living things have sense and are aware of things, some around them. But does your doll feel pain when you pinch it? No. Put your doll on some ice cubes. Does it feel cold? No, because it is a non-living thing. So for that sake, it is not responding. See, the duster is here. I am taking a scale. I am beating here. It is getting a pain? No. Why? Because it is a non-living thing. See, I am beating to the board. Is it paining? Is it crying? No. Why? Because it is a non-living thing. See, I am beating on my hand. Why? Because I have a sense organ, skin. The skin is used to sense it, means it has feel. I am beating here means it is paining to me. It is hurt to me. I am responding here. I am responding. If I am pinching here, see, means it is responding to me. She is pinching. She is beating. Is it? She is happy. Happy means she is always laughing. If she is having a pain, always she is used to cry. It is have some feel. We are responding to others. Is it? But the duster, board, gum box, it will respond. No, because it is a non-living things. Is it? If we are drinking ice water, we feel cold. Is it? But the doll, it will drink water? No, because it is a non-living thing. Means we are responding what the others are saying. Animals also respond. Is it? If we throw a stone to the dog, it will bark, right? The dog will bark on us. Or while we are walking, just we throw the stone on the dog, means it will run to catch us, right? Because it is responding. If we are throwing a stone, means it will respond to bite us. This is a respond, how the living things will respond to us. Okay, but the non-living things will not respond. Living things, next topic is living things get rid of waste. Living things get rid of waste. Page number 186. Living things get rid of waste. Waste means the food you eat is changed to energy. Some waste are formed. They must remove from the body. Animals and plants also must get rid of waste. Non-living things do not eat and do not waste are formed. Okay. Living things get rid of waste. Waste means what? After eating, you are going for washroom, or if you are going for urine sake, right? You are going to latrine. Like that only, we are excretion. We call it as excretion. Rid of waste means it's a excretion. Okay, that is a waste part. Whatever we are eating, how much we need energy, that much energy the food items will give. Later, if it is heavy for us, that waste part will come out through the washroom. Okay, that only living things can do this. They will get rid of waste. Animals will also do waste things. Okay, animals will also urine. How the plants will do? How means the waste leaves are there. If it is dry means it will get down to the soil. That is a waste things. We are excreting out the waste things, whatever in our stomach are there. Okay, whatever we are eating, we are getting energy. If it is, if we are having more food means that waste part will come out. That only living things can do. The duster will have a excretion. No, because it is a non-living thing. Okay, next, all living things reproduce. Living things reproduce. Reproduce means what? Production. A dog makes puppies, a cat has kittens, a bird lays eggs, baby bird come out of the eggs, a mother has babies, plant also make new plants through seeds. All living things can reproduce. Can your toys lay eggs have babies? No. Can a toy, means if you are having a doll, it will give eggs or something? No. The doll will produce a baby? No. For that sake, it is a non-living thing. Here, living things reproduce. Reproduce means the dog will give a birth to a puppy. The cat will give birth to a kitten, small kitten. We give a birth to a small babies. See your brothers and sisters, if your mummy is pregnant means after a few months she is give birth to a baby, small baby. Means all living things can reproduce. Animals will also reproduce. Birds will lay the eggs. It is giving birth to a small eggs, later it will come to a small like kids, right? Small birds. Means all living things can reproduce. Plants, how the plants will reproduce? Is it? If the plants grow, some seeds are there. That seeds we take it off and again we put it inside to the soil, again we grow like a plant. This is a reproduction of the plant. Okay, this is all about the living things and non-living things. Difference between living and non-living means living things can grow but non-living things cannot grow. Living things can move but non-living things can't move. Living things can eat and they have to take energy, but non-living things will not eat and they are not getting energy. Living things reproduce but non-living things can't reproduce. Living things get rid of the waste but non-living things is not getting any waste items. Okay, living things can respond but non-living things will not respond. This is the end of the lesson about living and non-living things. The exercise part, dictation words and the question answers, whatever it is, I am sending through the PDF. You see in your parents' WhatsApp and write in classwork neatly. Understood? This is the completion of the first lesson. Thank you.